So now we will clean and do the leather moisturizing for this bag. So first we use Otter Super Clean to clean the bag first. You just spray on the brush. Then you just use the damp cloth to wipe it off. So you can see the difference already. And later, to prevent the leather to crack and also to prevent it become moldy, we use Otter Leather Moisturizer High Foot to give it a coat. It nourishes the leather and also give it the shine. Okay, so now we will do the moisturizing for this bag, because you can see the leather here is very hard and dry. We will use Otter High Foot. It's a leather conditioner. Just wipe it on. You can immediately see the difference. So this, you can repeat this a few times. Depends on the dryness of your leather.